Ready to design a jersey that screams Atlanta Hawks and Peachtree vibes? Start by opening up your favorite design software. I'm using Adobe Illustrator, but anything similar will do. Create a new document and find or draw a basic jersey template. You can find free templates online. Next, decide on your color scheme. I'm obviously going with the classic Atlanta Hawks colors: red, black, volt green, and, of course, white as the base. Load these colors into your design program. Now, let's lay down the base color for the jersey. I'll pick red, but experiment with black or dark gray for a sleeker look. Make sure the base color covers the whole garment. It's Peachtree time. Use the text tool to add Peachtree across the chest. Mess around with different bold, modern fonts until you find one that suits your vision. Incorporate the Atlanta Hawks logo or mascot on the sleeves or chest. Add a subtle outline of the state of Georgia, highlighting Peachtree Street if you want to get really creative to capture the neighborhood, the city, and the team. Don't forget the jersey number. Choose a number and a bold, easy-to-read font. Make sure the number is visible on both the front and back of the jersey. Now, let's add some contrast. Outline the collar and sleeves in a secondary color, like black or volt green, for that authentic jersey feel. Experiment with stripes or patterns for added detail. Bam! You've just designed your own Peachtree-inspired Atlanta Hawks jersey. Save your design and get ready to show off your unique style. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors, fonts, and placements to create a jersey that truly represents you.